Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how to convert HEIC images to JPG or to PNG inside your iPhone itself. So keep watching this video till the end. I'll show you everything. So meanwhile, do subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech-based tutorials and content. Let's get started. So for this instance, I'll just take the Photos app and choose an image which is in HEIF format. So this is a HEIF format. So if I click on the info button here, it will show up as a HEIF. It shows over here. So what we have to do now is save this file into the files folders in the iPhone. So just click over here and choose save to files. You'll have this option over here. Just click on that and it will ask us where we have to save it. So you can choose a different folder. So I had created a folder here called HEIF, so I can just choose that one and just click on save. So once I save that, all I have to do is go into the files section of the files app. You can download a files app from the iStore, so it's easily available. There are so many available, and I just go ahead and open that folder where I saved it. And what I have now is a HEIF image inside this folder, so I just have to convert this. So just keep clicking on that image and it will open up a small pop-up, and here you have this option called quick actions. Just click on that and here you have the convert image option. So now we can convert it to JPG, PNG or HEIF again. So I'll just go ahead and choose JPEG, and I can choose which size I want. So I'll just go ahead and choose original or large. So if you want like a very heavy file, you can go ahead with the original, but I just want a small image, so I'm just going to go ahead with large. It's more than enough because I don't want to waste so much space on my computer, on my iPhone. So right now the size has come to 273 KB from 2.9 MB. So if you save it as a JPEG file, you'll get it in good quality, as well as it will be in a smaller size. So this is how you guys save it into your iPhone as a JPG file. So I'll show you how you can save this image into the Photos app again. So just open the image and click over here and just go down and click on save image. And now that image has been saved into your Photos app. So if you guys found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.